Alright, what's up everybody? Andrew Fredette back with another video. So today we have more personal pickups. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so we have a few tops, a few bottoms. We'll start with some tops. This one right here, we have an Undercover Sweater. This is from, I believe, 98, 99, it might be 97, 98. It's just hard to tell because the tag is very worn off. However, you can get the vibe of what's going on here. The color is showing up pretty accurate on camera. Just a very bright, like lime green. The issue I had with it was the neck was a little too tight, so I do have this up for sale. I just have broad shoulders, so I like a wider neck. Besides that though, super cool sweater. Could do a lot with it. It's bright color, but would look really nice with some sweats or even some pants. You can even throw this over a button up or something. It would look crazy with this little chaotic Discord one. Anyways, enough talking about the sweater. More tops. Okay, next pickup is a cardigan, so you already know I'm excited for it. Right here we have a Issey Miyake, and I believe it's a APOC collab. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. I've just seen the jeans they've made. Anyways, Issey Miyake cardigan. I believe this is actually a women's piece, but whatever, it's 2018. But to get into some of the details, this is more of a dressier cardigan than the other ones I own, because it does have a collar, and I believe this is called a lapel. And if you take a look at the back, we got more stuff going on. It looks almost like a athletic type shirt with these breathable mesh panels going all across the back. There's even some at the bottom. Then on the sleeves, we have these cool little like shark teeth looking edges. So super cool cardigan, great color, especially for the summer. Okay, next pickup, some of you guys may have seen before if you saw my past video where I had 3 of these. That was more of like a collection video. I had the other 2 to sell, so I figured I'd throw this in the pickups since it's another Issey piece. So right here we have one of the classic Issey Sport Hoodies, the beautiful IS print on the back. Super nice terry cotton. Definitely can get away with wearing it during the summer. Love this thing. Okay, the next and final Issey pickup is gonna be a staple for the summertime. We have this lightweight pleated Issey Miyake short sleeve button up. Short sleeve button-ups are definitely going to be something I plan on rocking this summer. I have 2 more to show you guys after this. As you can see with this one, we have the wild pleats going across. In a past video I had shown this. Some of you may remember the pleated vest from the same collection, I guess. This is for sale though. The only thing about this shirt, I wish it was a different color. It's just a little too similar to my skin tone. Still gonna rock it though. Alright, as I said, these next 2 button-ups I got from the thrift store. This one is from a brand called Centro. Just a very simple black button-up, but it has these super nice stitched, they honestly look like columns going across the front. It's just in black, so super subtle detail, very clean. The fit isn't perfect, but for like $6, I'm sure I'm gonna get plenty of wear in the summer months with this. The next button-up is a little less clean because I just bought it and realized there's like some grease stains or something near the middle. They might not even show up on camera. They're not super noticeable. I might still just wear it, screw it. Salmony color, sort of has a weird like shimmer of white to it in person. You may be able to tell on camera. Definitely a summer color. Way more comfortable than that black one. Okay, now we'll get into some bottoms and I'll get out of here. First up, I want to show you guys these. Also just got these today. These will be coming out eventually. Don't have a set date yet, but we have the coming soon Neverland Dickie shorts. There you go. On the way. More purple stuff. We have these CDG 2005 Rolling Stone corduroys. Love the purple color, obviously. And then that Rolling Stones print on the back is crazy. I was really trying to wear these with this Rolling Stone shirt I just got. Nice vintage one. They just don't really match up though. The pants are super wide and the shirt's very like slim and cropped on me, so I don't think that fit will work out. It's all good though. These purple pants will definitely still be worn. Maybe not so much in the summer since they are corduroy, but still obviously very happy to have these in the collection. Alright, last pickup, unless I forgot something. We have some number 9 cargo pants. So these are wool, another definitely not summer appropriate pickup, but can't pass these up. So we got 6 pockets, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 1 on each side. And that's pretty much it. Besides that, really just a plain wool pant, elastic waistband, drawstrings, belt loops. Basically all there is to them. That being said, still a very hard pant. I have way too many black pants. I say it every day, but I still buy more. It's okay though. So those are my most recent pickups. I hope you guys did enjoy and are enjoying these pickups videos. Please do drop a like if you are. They really do help me grow. It's much appreciated. Besides that, everything behind me pretty much is for sale, so hit those links in the description if you want to check out my growth and selling Instagram, all that stuff, social media. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Catch you guys on the next video. Have a nice day.